Hello, good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, Diamond Crew. Hope you guys are doing great and ready for these jobs that I have to offer for today. Now, this is the second video. It's a customer service representative, work from home, Wisconsin, and the customer service representative job in sales. In order to qualify for this work from home position, you must reside in one of the following states. It's Illinois, Indiana, South Dakota, and Wisconsin. Answer your call and take the lead at our company for the comfort of your home. As a member of our team, you will define how our customers engage and with the latest products, offerings, media, and entertainment. Is an opportunity to be the voice of AT&T, a global leader in communications and technology, in a career where we'll count on you to deliver a best in-class customer service. In this role, you'll take the lead in addressing customer questions and concerns on all products and services through case resolution pertaining to a variety of issues. You'll need a strong attention to detail to maintain appropriate records, prepare required reports, and update customer accounts. Each case will provide an opportunity to creatively problem-solve ways to address customer issues through various tools and systems. Most importantly, your ability to provide effective and timely resolutions will impact the overall customer experience. There may also be instances where you provide customer support as assigned. This may include selling products and services, collecting past due balances, processing credit application, and or activating services. You will be required to efficiently navigate both multiple systems to resolve complex customer service concerns as it relates to one or more products, services, and uncover customer wants, interests, and needs in each customer interaction to effectively save the product and offer additional products and services. Demonstrate self-sufficiency through utilizing various support tools to research and resolve complex customer issues in a virtual setting. It tells you all about what is required of you in this job, and this is a full-time position, 40-hour work week job, flexible to work any schedule during hours of operation is essential. Current business hours are Monday through Friday, 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock p.m. and Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. And the work from home requirements: you have to have a quiet space, a clean space. You have to have noise levels down low. And yes, you have to be able to have live webcam monitoring, pictures of your workspace, video chats, and etc. And be able to be accessible and accountable to work during the established work shift schedules and shifts. Follow technical support processes to comply with organizational security and compliance standards. Trainings, performance management, recurring management routines, manual and automatic remote monitoring policies, etc. And the pay for this job, for this role, it starts at $15.69 per hour, and weekly with that $15.69, it would be $627.50. So $627.50 weekly pay for the $15.69 per hour and the $17.63 per hour. It will all convert into $705 weekly for the 40-hour work week for both of these. So the eligible AT&T wireless plans, up to 2 lines, accounts per employee. These are for perks for you when you are working for AT&T. It's great. It's great that they're offering paid training and they have AT&T internet, fiberware available, AT&T phone, and AT&T wireless home phone. It says there's no better way, no better time now than to dial into a work from home career with AT&T. Want to learn more about our work from home roles? Watch the video that's on YouTube. You press this link, you go straight to a video that's on YouTube about AT&T. That's on the AT&T's channel. Video and apply today. In order to qualify for this work from home position, you must reside in the following states. Once again, it's Chicago, Illinois, Indiana, South Dakota, and Wisconsin. And I hope you guys found out to be useful information for those 4 states if you want to get into working from home with AT&T. Now, there's another work from home in a different state that I want you guys to see. It is based out in, it's one in Indiana, specifically for Indiana, even though I've already stated in the last job. This is the job details for this company. Okay, it's pretty much basically the same thing as the last one. The 4 states, the same 4 states is Wisconsin, South Dakota, Indiana, and Illinois, Chicago, Illinois. And the pay for this job is exactly the same. It's $15.69 hourly, and the weekly pay will be $6.27 per hour. $627.50 weekly to $17.63 hourly. It will convert it into $705 per week with this amount of pay once you apply to this job. And the work hours are 40 hours per work week. It's flexible to work any schedule during hours of operation. It's essential. Current business hours are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday, 8 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. And the benefits of this job or compensation. You get compensation for your job, and you get paid time off, and you get tuition assistance if you want to go to college, or you need help and assistance with paying for your college. You have tuition assistance with this company of AT&T, and insurance options as well, medical, dental, and vision for you and your family. Discounts that you can have, like perks and stuff for the products and services that are here because you are an employee of AT&T. They will take care of you when it comes to discounts and paid time off and training. You get paid training. Savings account, you get a retirement savings plan, ARSP, with AT&T. And they have community and team events. So if it sounds like something that you would like to do, you can apply right here at Indeed.com, not Indeed.com, excuse me. I'm going to drop the link down below. It's AT&T.jobs. I'm going to drop the job down below. You guys, me being hoarse and me having a little bit of a cold has got me like, but I'm so sorry for that. It's at AT&T.jobs, and I'm going to place the link down below, okay? It's Indiana, based in Indiana. And they hire for four states. It's Illinois, Indiana, South Dakota, and Wisconsin. If you like this job, give it a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, where I will be coming back with more for you to go ahead and get a bigger selection of jobs that are currently being had and that are trending, and you can apply to and land that job, that dream job you always wanted. Diamond Crew, love you guys. Always put your best foot forward and do the best you can in life. And I know you are amazing because you sparkling and you shining and you are worth it. So find that job and be happy. I'll talk to you guys later. See you in the next video. Good luck.